Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I made a little bit of a boo-boo buying this because I have the OnePlus 8, and unfortunately the OnePlus 8 does not wireless charge. I should have thought that before. I can't get the OnePlus 8 Pro because it sold out in Canada, or it was sold out right when I went online, or maybe it wasn't available. Nonetheless, since we have this on the channel, I'm still going to do an unboxing. I'll show you what comes out of this box and how it looks and how your phone might look. So before we begin, make sure you subscribe by hitting the red subscribe icon. So what we have here is a OnePlus Warp Charge 30 wireless charger. This is the newest product from OnePlus. I really do like where they're headed towards the wireless world, where, you know, their OnePlus 8 Pro now has wireless charging. I kind of wish that they had it in the OnePlus 8. That would have been really nice. So this is the carbon case on the OnePlus 8, as well as a sandstone case up there. Done an unboxing. I'll leave it up there as well as in the description for you to check out. Let's see what comes out of this box. And then here is the charging mat. So I'm going to compare this to the Pixel wireless charging and see which one is a little bit better. So let's see. Okay. That was really interesting. So this is a little bit of a brick, similar brick to the kind of like the fast charging iPhone chargers that they have. Similar size to that. Let's take a look at this in a couple seconds. What else comes out of the box? Nothing else, just this. We have the reading manuals. Let me just move this over. The reading manuals and the warranty information. Now let me just pop this out. And then let's take a quick look at this first, and then we'll examine the actual mat. This might be different for you guys because I'm in North America. This is the North American, the two-prong chargers. Really nice design. They have this little grip here so you can grab it, insert and out, in and out like that. Don't like this design, to be honest with you, because this is kind of like a, you know, kind of like a manufacturer's way to promote you to purchase again and again. Similar to the way Apple used to do it before. It's if you had the laptop charger and one of the ends broke, you're kind of out of luck because you can't unplug this on either side. So if anything gets pulled or this thing becomes unstable 3 months, 6 months, a year down the line, you kind of have to purchase a brand new charger. That's one thing I don't like about this charger right off the bat. I really wish they had a simple USB-C to USB-C design, or a USB-A to USB-C, I don't care, or just have this separate, not just combined together. I mean, you're obviously going to be somehow moving this around, or if you pull this or somebody pulls on the other side, there's a very, very good chance that over time this will get loose and it may stop working. So really do not like this design. So let's take a look at the front of this design. It's a pretty nice design. It's not rubberized at all, except for this little portion over here. This is not rubberized, but except for this. So this is just clear plastic. Let me just rest my OnePlus 8 on here, so that way you have a better understanding of how it's going to look whenever you place your phone on here. So you see that rubberized thing up here, quick and simple. You just got to put your phone on and then it'll start wireless charging. It should work with the case as well. Obviously with the OnePlus cases, it's going to work. Sometimes what happens is these wireless chargers may not work with a third-party case, particularly like one of those like OtterBox cases that are very thick. They may not reach the wireless charging coil, so that might not happen. But decent design, silver plastic material over here. And this, what we have here is the ability for the heat to go in here and then come out from the back. Decent design up here, plasticky. Let's see at the bottom over here. So what we have is just plastic up here and two little rubberized stoppers over here. I kind of wish that they made this entire thing rubberized. It would have been a little bit better when it comes to, you know, placing your phone as well as not moving, because if you see, like, it's moving for a decent amount. I mean, if I'm just going to put my phone on here, it's going to move a little bit. If you use the Pixel one, that one was a little bit better because the entire thing at the back, this entire thing was all rubberized, so it had a better grip. This is just rubber at the bottom, plastic all up here. But then again, this is the first product that OnePlus has released, which is a wireless charger. This is pretty decent. $69.95 the US version for this, $99 in the Canadian version. Either way, I'll leave my personalized OnePlus referral link down below for you to check out. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe. Overall, I'm kind of iffy about this charger for the price that you're paying. I wouldn't recommend this because there's a lot of great options out there which allow you to kind of remove the cables in case either the cable gets damaged or the charging port gets damaged. But OnePlus's first wireless charger, there's bound to have some issues. This is just like an engineering flaw, or maybe they intended to have that in case you break your first one. You're kind of inclined to purchase it again because once you use this with your OnePlus 8 Pro, this is going to be a pretty good charger. It's able to do the Warp Charge 30 wirelessly, which is quite interesting. And it has this right here. It's kind of like intended to disperse the heat. So you see this area over here. That's where the heat goes, and it comes out from this side over here. Let me know what you guys think about this quick unboxing of this Warp Charge 30. Personally, like I mentioned, I'm not really too excited about this product. I kind of wish they, invested a little bit more time and changed that up. That was a big no-no for me. But design-wise, it's good. There's better options out there. I'll leave it down below in the comment section. For the next version of OnePlus, if you're watching, make this entire thing rubberized. Make this, the cable over here, make the cable entirely either USB-C, which can be removed. And I'm fine with this. I'm fine with this. And at the bottom, make the entire thing rubberized. There's a lot of options out there for less money that offer similar experience. It may not be as fast as the OnePlus Warp Charge 30, but it'll get the job done and a little bit better design. But please, OnePlus, if you're watching, change this up. And I guarantee you, if you do those things and you change it up, I guarantee you the next one is going to be a hit. So thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.